Hey, my name is Ben, and I want to quickly walk you through the services I can help you with. Most folks, let's do it like this. First, I'm going to give you the TLDR, the really quick version, and then after that, I'll walk you through more detailed stuff. If you got your answers in the first part, just click away. Really quickly, I do websites, book covers, general marketing services for authors. A lot of authors are great at writing books, but all the other stuff, how to bring their books to market, they really struggle with, and that is my jam. I've been working in marketing for a decade and I love it, but it's also mostly business marketing, and my passion is more aligned with like book marketing. So here I am trying to help you save yourself a ton of time by handling all this stuff, including how it all fits together. All right, so for the long of it, I'm going to talk you through the kind of like the four, it's my cat on a scratching post, the four kind of main things that you need in order to bring your book to market. There's your actual book cover, you need a website, you need branding that brings it all together, and then there's some like marketing implementation stuff to kind of connect all those dots so that you can have kind of like fans moving forward, not just a single book launch. And I will help you with that. So firstly, website, you need some place to actually collect traffic. Typically, a lot of folks give away a free book. That's how they build an email list, and then they can have 100 good reviews moving forward because they have an email list of people that already enjoy their book. And it's really hard to collect those emails if you don't have a website. So the first thing is making a website. This is a website I made, and I can make one of these for you too. This one is very mobile first in its design. That's why it's so simple. It's so that if my mom looked at this site on the internet, it would load quickly and be easy to read. That was the main goal here. I'm going to show you what it looks like on mobile. Very easy to read, right? Books by Nancy, with links to these actual books on Amazon. It's not hard to navigate or understand. And at the bottom, there's social media. If, my mom, she likes Facebook. If she came in on a Facebook ad, but she really likes TikTok videos, she can find you on TikTok, very easy to understand this entire website. Also, the very first thing you land on here is this Get Yours button. It's like the only thing that's in color other than the books. So people really understand that this is what you want them to do here, to give them your email and first name for this free book here. Anyways, so I can make you websites. Also, on to the next kind of puzzle piece here, I can create actual books for you. So all of the cover and the title, the wording, and the blurbs and whatnot, I did it all. I also made paperback versions for all of these, which can take a bit of formatting knowledge to figure out how to make them actually look good as a paperback. If you just use the default stuff, they look a little janky, like Times New Roman doesn't necessarily look good in these. So I can make you actual layout and whatnot that matches the genre of the book, and a cool blurb on the back that actually makes sense. So I can help you with book design, cover design that is, and the actual interior layout. The next thing after that, I guess I would say, is branding. Branding's kind of a tricky one. A lot of times you look on Amazon and there's a lot of books with like a lot of reviews, but they don't really look like they relate to anything else. And a lot of authors these days, they are kind of publishing more and more books. That's their strategy to nailing the market, is cranking out, 8 books a year, not one, and crossing their fingers, right? But if those 8 books don't look like they relate to each other, it's a little difficult for your folks to find them. Or if your book cover looks like one thing and they get to your website and it looks like something else, well, it's a little jarring and they kind of like lose trust and understanding in the brand because it doesn't make sense anymore. So I can also help you make all of your assets like match, even in terms of your tone with your email, like all of that stuff really, really matters. I guess the last point is I can help you with the overall marketing implementation, which can get really confusing sometimes. How do you connect your website to your email list and to your book funnel page to actually deliver the books? And how do you get your actual Facebook ads to like link over here properly? And how do you have a Facebook ad that even works in the first place? Like, if you have any struggles around those things, I am here to help. Because all of that is my jam, and it's to the point where I am bored with it because I've been doing it so long, and it is time to help other people do the same so that you can get to the point where it's boring for you too, instead of hard and difficult, which it most definitely is at first. All right. So if you need help with anything in the book marketing realm in terms of creating these assets, websites, designing a brand, making book covers, interiors, the whole 9 yards, anything but actually writing your book, let me know. And I am here to help. And thanks for your time. And I hope to hear from you soon. And it's the end of the video. Good job. You made it. All right. Talk soon.